How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Bay. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist fear you in a minute. That is the title of this video. When you're dealing with a narcissist, you are dealing with a very arrogant person, an egotistic, egocentric, self-centered, selfish person who only focuses on their own needs. With a narcissist, it's always about me, 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 me. They lack empathy. They use and misuse others, then they discard them. A narcissist's main mission is to destroy you. It is to hurt you. It's to punish you. So, if you're dealing with a narcissist and you want to make them fear you, then this is the video for you. Number one, to make the narcissist fear you. And one thing is to establish boundaries. Narcissists hate personal boundaries. They find them threatening. They see those boundaries as a challenge to their controlling behavior. So be clear, be direct, be consistent about your boundaries. Establish those boundaries and enforce them. The boundaries are there to protect you from the narcissist. Communicate to the narcissist what is acceptable and what is unacceptable behavior for you. And when you communicate, communicate assertively. And when the narcissist tries to cross those boundaries, make sure consequences are in place. Reassert those boundaries. Setting boundaries is important for your mental health. So, to make the narcissist fear you quickly in a minute, set those boundaries. Establish boundaries and also put consequences in place. Number two is to be assertive. I'm not talking about being aggressive, but be assertive when dealing with a narcissist to make them fear you in a minute. When you stand up for yourself, it's important to know that you need to be assertive. Stand up for yourself without being aggressive. Because the narcissist wants a reaction from you. When they see that you're aggressive, they're happy. They'll use it against you. So be assertive. Speak your truth firmly, but calmly, in a composed manner. Tell the narcissist what your expectations are. Express your needs without attacking the narcissist or blaming them in any way. When you're calm, collected, composed, the narcissist is scared. They get frightened because they want you to react. They'll push buttons to get you to react negatively. They want to provoke you to react so that they can get narcissistic supply, but don't give them that satisfaction. Aggressive reactions can always escalate conflicts. It can always provide the narcissist with that attention they desire from you. So be assertive, but in a calm manner. To disengage the narcissist's power of manipulating and controlling the situation. Another way to make a narcissist fear you in a minute quickly is to focus on yourself. Focus on your self-care. Prioritize your self-care. When the narcissist sees you're taking good care of yourself, when they see that you've put yourself first, they'll be scared. They'll fear you. So, have some regular exercising. Have a balanced diet. Have sufficient sleep. Engage in activities that promote stress reduction. Do meditation. So when you have a robust self-care regimen, you bolster your resilience against the narcissist's manipulative tactics. You also enhance your mental health, your emotional health, your well-being, in short. You boost your personal health, you boost your self-esteem, your self-confidence, your sense of self-worth. You build resilience. You create a conducive environment that challenges the narcissist's power over you. That way they'll fear you. Another way of making the narcissist fear you is to challenge their ego. They'll fear you in a minute. Narcissists, they have inflated egos. They have this sense of superiority. And they need constant admiration, constant recognition, constant praise, attention, acknowledgement, validation. So if you need the narcissist to fear you, challenge their ego. Don't give them what they need. Don't give them the attention they desire. Don't give them that admiration they need. They think they're special. They think they're unique. Deny them that. Challenge them. Challenge them that they're not important because they think they're more important than others. When you're having a conversation with them, you can respectfully disagree with their point of view. This way, you are showing them that you're not easily swayed by their opinion and that you have a mind of your own. Remember, no reaction is the best reaction. They need attention. Don't give them the attention they need. That is narcissistic supply to them. So when they provoke you to react, don't react. Be calm. That way you're showing them that their tactics are not affecting you. And this way you are disrupting their control over your emotions. The narcissist will try to manipulate you into a situation that serves their interests at your expense. So calmly and firmly decline. Always try to remain composed, cool, calm, collected. Stay emotionally detached. This will prevent the narcissist from manipulating your feelings. Always go grey rock. Be dull, be boring. When you're having conversation with the narcissist, maintain those yes, no answers, one-word answers. This way, they are not able to manipulate your feelings. This needs a lot of practice so that the narcissist cannot play games with you. When you withhold your reaction, when you don't react when the narcissist provokes you, it makes the narcissist feel confused, disoriented. They panic and they will realize they are losing grip over you. This is one way of getting control back over your emotional landscape. It is a way of not allowing the narcissist to manipulate you. Another way is to maintain your independence. Narcissists love controlling the decisions and actions of others. So, maintain your independence. They'll feel scared, they'll feel threatened because they're losing control over you. So, invest in yourself. Pursue your interests and your hobbies. Develop your skills and knowledge. This enhances self-confidence. It reduces the impact of the narcissist's attempts to belittle or to undermine you. Establish and maintain financial independence. Avoid depending on the narcissist financially if possible. Preserve your independence. It reinforces your self-worth and personal power. And it makes it very difficult. It makes it harder for the narcissist to control you, to play mind games on you, to manipulate you. And this makes the narcissist fear you because they realize they cannot control you, they cannot manipulate you. To make a narcissist fear you in a minute, try to seek support. Have a strong support system. Surround yourself with supportive and understanding people when dealing with this narcissist. This helps you in many ways. It makes the narcissist fear you. They will be scared of you because they know you have people who can support you. So building a network of support provides you with multiple perspectives and validation for experiences. So it is very therapeutic also to speak with friends, trusted family members, because they'll always support you. And this is what the narcissist doesn't like. They'll fear you as a result. Again, to make a narcissist fear you, don't justify, don't argue, don't defend, and don't explain. When you do this, the narcissist fears you. When you're dealing with a narcissist, you'll find yourself trying to justify things, to argue, to defend, to explain. This leads to endless cycle of blames and criticism. So don't try to explain your feelings to a narcissist. When you refuse to engage in this game, the narcissist is not able to manipulate you. It makes them fear you. Because you're showing the narcissist that their usual tactics are ineffective, and the narcissist will panic and fear you. Again, to make the narcissist fear you in a minute, focus on self-affirmation. Keep reminding yourself about your worth and your value. The narcissist will try to undermine your self-esteem because they want to control you. So, have some self-affirmation regularly. Use positive affirmations that reminds you of your strengths, of your achievements, and of your unique qualities. Constantly and regularly tell yourself that you're strong. Say, I'm strong. I'm capable. I'm powerful. I deserve respect. I deserve happiness. I deserve kindness. These affirmations, they act as antidote to the narcissist's negative influence over your sense of self-worth. And this alone scares the narcissist. They'll fear you. To make a narcissist fear you, you can also educate yourself about narcissism. Knowledge is power when dealing with a narcissist. When you know about narcissism, the narcissist fears you because they know you know their techniques. You know those manipulative techniques such as gaslighting, lying, love bombing, devaluation, hoovering, discarding, blame shifting, all this, gaslighting. Now the narcissist is scared of someone who is educated on narcissism. They'll fear you. Limit your exposure with a narcissist to make them fear you. When you limit exposure, it reduces the opportunities that the narcissist has to manipulate or hurt you. So the less you are exposed to the narcissist's negativity, the less damage they can inflict on you. It decreases the narcissist's control over you. So they'll panic, they'll fear you. So the other way is to practice emotional detachment. Don't allow the narcissist's words or actions to dictate your emotional state. Always view the narcissist's behavior objectively. That way, they will not be able to control you. They'll not be able to manipulate you, and they'll fear you. Again, to make the narcissist fear you in a minute, document everything. Maintain records of emails, text messages, any confrontational incidents that you've had with the narcissist with specific dates and details. This will help you. It makes the narcissist fear you. To make the narcissist fear you, stay true to your reality. Remember the narcissist tactics such as gaslighting, manipulation, hoovering, love bombing, projection, blame shifting. All these are designed to make you question your experience and perceptions and reality. So, regularly practice mindfulness, such as meditation, to enhance self-awareness and intuition. Documenting and journaling is a powerful tool. It helps you. It allows you to document your experiences and feelings, which can help you when you have doubts. A narcissist will fear you when you don't share personal information. Don't share your weaknesses, your fears, your dreams, and your past experiences. The narcissist will fear you. You diminish the narcissist's manipulative tools to use on you when you don't expose your weaknesses, when you don't reveal your personal information. They get confused because they'll feel they're losing grip over you. So stay focused on your goals, because the narcissist will try to derail your focus on your personal goals, from your personal goals, to keep you under their influence. They'll try to belittle your ambitions. They'll create distractions. They'll try to bring conflicts, to divert your attention. So maintain a strong focus on your aspirations. Don't allow the narcissist actions to confuse you or to sidetrack you. Recognize the narcissist projection. Practice mindfulness. Maintain a positive self-image. That way, the narcissist will fear you. And again, seek professional help. A professional can help you to navigate the complexities of narcissistic behavior and equip you with effective coping mechanisms. Thank you for watching this video. So if you want the narcissist to fear you, establish clear boundaries, be assertive, prioritize self-care, stay focused on your goals, show no reaction to their provocations, maintain your independence, seek support, challenge the narcissist's ego, have some positive self-affirmations, educate yourself about narcissism. Remember, the narcissist is scared the most of losing control. They fear being exposed. They fear being seen as imperfect in the eyes of others. So, to make a narcissist panic, maintain your independence. Don't react to their provocations. Negatively or positively, don't react. Stay focused on your own goals. This protects you from the narcissist's control, and they will fear you and they'll panic. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've loved it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Drop a comment or two. Share this video widely with all those who may need it. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. Please tell us your experience with a narcissist and what you did to make them fear you. Thank you. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.